Get him in front of him. Get him in front of him. Oh, shit.
New York City car chase. The classic cat and mouse, cops and robbers situation where people are always trying to run away from the cops. It's nothing new. But unlike all those other states like California, Texas, and all those other places, we have a lot more higher success rate for people escaping because of one thing. This. I wanted to show you guys this video. If you don't know about what swim is basically a group or a culture, a lifestyle, whatever you want to call it, of people who basically run from the cops and who drive as recklessly as possible on the highway. I'm talking about these people do not miss a cut. I'm talking white lining. I'm talking running from the cops. I'm talking Manhattan, Brooklyn to Manhattan in 10 minutes and under. Like, they are insane, okay? Most of the famous swimmers, I guess you could say, are Bree Q50, I think, Where's 981. Another one is Squeeze Benz, which I saw him narrowly escape death with Neon like 2 weeks ago. But one of the coolest things about it is that we always get perspectives of what happened because these people are always filming themselves. So we get to see the crashes, we get to see the narrow cuts, we get to see everything. But this is the first time we're ever actually going to see the cop POV. Okay, this is the moment we've been waiting for. All right. So we're going to see what happens when a cop is actually trying to chase somebody, trying to escape, avoid car chases. And I've never seen a perspective like this. Like, typically you always see it from like a cop body cam or something like that. So let's check out this footage.
Left on Jamaica going westbound. Where's Aviation Central?
So they were 15 minutes out. Aviation 17.
Alright, already this video starts off in a great manner. I have no idea who this cop is chasing. Also, we're getting some back seat POV shots like we're in a Charger helicopter running from the cops. I have never seen a police chase POV from the back seat unless it was a criminal escaping and they jump into the back seat. I don't know. But yeah, this is absolutely insane. I don't know why this guy is filming from the back seat. Like, it is... like, this perspective is insane. Like, but hey, listen, we got the video, so
Central Jamaica Avenue, going slow westbound, coming to where the Cypress Hill Road, going north on Cypress Hill Road.
So another thing is that this area of Queens is incredibly packed. Like, if you can get to Jackie Robinson or another road like that, it will have a lot more space. But if you guys know where this is, it's not much places you can escape from this. Like, this is really residential, schools, all that type of stuff. Not very good, but let's see what happens.
Cypress Hill Road, Central, northbound Cypress Hill Road, passing the cemeteries.
Yeah, my car's gonna be destroyed.
This cop already knows what's going on. So it appears like the guy in the back seat is the one who's actually like whose cop car it is, and the lady in the front seat is driving the car so hard. Like, I don't even know who they're chasing, but this guy's already in tears. He's just like, he knows his car's gonna get wrecked from this. Honestly, I would be the same way too. If you ever let somebody drive your car, you always have that faint feeling of like, this may be the last time I ever drive this thing or drive in this thing. So yeah, I definitely understand.
Right here, go to the right here. Central, he's on Cypress Hill Road going northbound.
Gotcha.
Watch the tires. Where do you go? Right there, right on the right, right there on the right. Get on the curb a little bit. Watch your left, watch your left. Right there, left.
I also don't even know what camera this cop is using because the exposure on this is set to heaven. Like, literally every blink of light is just glimmering so bright. Like, you can't even see who they're chasing, what they're chasing. Like, This must be shot on like an iPhone 2. Like, this is insanely bad.
Central, getting on the Jackie Robinson. Central, getting on the Jackie Robinson eastbound. Have the Jackie Robinson eastbound shut down, Central. East of Cypress Hill Road.
Alright, fast unit shut down. Jackie Robinson, east on Cypress Hill Road.
Oh shit, Chase on the highway now?
This guy has bonded with this car, and he has come to grips with this car is going to be dead at the end of this chase. This is also the first time I've ever seen like the police actually like shut down a highway in New York City. Typically they're just like they chase you for like 5 minutes. I'm not speaking from existence.
This is my business, and this is yours. I am here. The problem is, you are also here.
But typically they just chase you for like 5 minutes, and then they're just like, that's a Hellcat. I'm not gonna kill 5 people doing this, or you know what I'm saying? Or they're gonna say like, that's a Hellcat. I'm not gonna waste my time chasing this car I know I can't catch. Gotta let the cat outside. Hellcat, cat, see?
7 units going to shut down Jackie, east of Cypress Hill Road.
He's up there. He's up there. Keep it there.
Okay, so they finally made it to the Jackie Robinson, and this is so funny because the Jackie Robinson is like the Nürburgring of Brooklyn, okay? Like, you will find the coolest, fastest cars there cutting up at like 2 a.m. at night if you're ever lucky enough to go there. But if you're ever stuck in the traffic with those cars, they will fly past you doing these curved turns and bends at Mach 1 speeds. It is not safe to be down there late at night, I'm telling you. Especially a Friday night, don't go there, I'm telling you. Unless you're one of those fast cars, stay out of their way, because trust me, they're racing on that thing.
The car looks like it has a flat tire. Give me some units here. The car's going to be disabled, Central.
Okay. This is the first time we actually see the car that they're chasing, and it's disappointing. This thing looks like it has like 200 horsepower. It looks like it's running on lit mode. It doesn't even look like it was worthy of a chase. Like, how could they not catch this thing? I thought they were running from like a Hellcat or something like that. But at the same time, you could look at the dedication in that female officer's eyes. It looks like this is her first car chase, and she is so dialed in. Okay, she's locked in. She's not playing around. You could see it in her eyes. She's focused, and she's ready for that takedown. The guy in the backseat filming though with his iPhone 2, and he's just ready to wave his car by. But
Yep. West of Forest Park Drive. Get him in front of him. Get in front of him.
Oh shit! Hit my own car.
so this got even crazier. I think it was a BMW. I'm really not sure, but it looked like the lady hit the car or something like that. I don't know if this cop in the back seat is just off duty, but this video is so funny. Like, he's just in the back seat, just like he's like those people in the videos where they're just like trying to see what's going on, or they're watching a fight breakdown and they're like, oh my god, somebody should help. It is so hilarious, honestly. And now he somehow manages to get over the fence. How does he do this? Like, bro, is he naked? Alright, that's all I got. I just wanted to share that video with you guys because I saw it and I was just like, this thing is crazy. As soon as I saw it, I was just like, a cop POV backseat. It gotta be insane. And this was entirely that. I don't think they really get far. I'm just gonna call it now. I think the cops catch them. I think there's 2 people in the car as much as what I could see. I think one person escaped. Another person tried to scale the fence, but he failed. But yeah. So just goes to show, if you're running from the cops, make sure your car is faster than that. That's been the video, guys. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and stay tuned for more car videos. AR out.